our lives. Oh, Kalibosha, take your place in our lives. Masa Karabaya, be exalted in our lives. Be the King in our lives. Be the King, the Lord in our lives. In every situation that we are facing, be the King. Be exalted. Oh, Robosha, Masa Karibosha, Mekezete Ribosha, Masa Karabashe Kezete Ribosha, Mekezete Ribosha Kazata. Oh, we declare our love. We declare our love to you this morning. We declare our love. We declare our love. Oh, we declare our love to you. We love you. We love you, God. We love you. We love you because you first loved us when we were unlovable, but you saw your people that you greatly love, a people that you will send your only